What's up, guys? I'm in the 2016 Ford Mustang V6. This exhaust has just a muffler delete on the rear. Everything else is stock. And it sounds pretty good. I see my other video on a few drive-bys I did with it, and another video at idle. And just wanted to show you how it is just normal driving inside the cabin. It sounds good. The only minor complaint I have is right around 2,300 RPMs. You'll hear quite a bit of droning going on in the car, and that's a little annoying. So I'm going to possibly swap it out for another setup. See if I can make it do it here. It's mainly, let's see here. Not bad. Just sometimes, sometimes you just notice it, and if you just go a little bit faster or shift gears or whatever, if you're manually shifting, this is an automatic transmission, but it does have paddle shifters on the steering wheel, and I do like that very much. Yeah, it's right around, between 2,300 and 2,500 RPMs. It's not awful, but it'd be nice if it didn't have any, because sometimes if you're on the highway or if you're just on a stretch of road, and that just happens to be the gear and the RPM you're running, you'd rather not have to do anything about it. And of course, whenever you're listening to exhaust videos, make sure you're either listening with really good speakers, out of your computer, or you've got good headphones or earbuds in. Because if you just use your cell phone speaker, you usually can't hear all the frequencies that you need to hear if you're really trying to pinpoint something. Yeah, right about there. That's 23-ish. Right there. Slightly annoying. Anyway, for those of you who are considering doing a muffler delete with stock exhaust, that's what it will sound like in the S550, which is 2015, 16, and 17 on the V6. It may sound similar on the S197, which is 2010 to 2000, I'm sorry, yeah, 10 to 14 models. It may sound similar, even though that exhaust is slightly different design. But come on out. Well, you could have come out, whatever. Anyway, that's it. Check out our other videos. We got all kinds of stuff about this car and other cars, dirt bikes, street bikes, Harley Davidsons, sport bikes, lawnmowers, chainsaws even, leaf blowers, trimmers, stuff like that, all over our channel. And we also have a eBay store. Just Google Horsepower House and you'll find us online. We sell mostly motorcycle related parts and tools, specialty tools primarily. So check that out. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, as we will always be posting more stuff. You'll have a great day. We'll see you later.